Our fictitious company for this demonstration will be the same aggregates company, Davis Brothers Rock Quarry, which we set up before, and it appears our first load has just arrived. By pressing F5 on the keyboard or selecting the 5 Tran button at the bottom menu bar with the mouse, we open the transaction screen where we are able to tell the system who is on the scale. We identify the truck as vehicle DBRQ101 and enter that into vehicle ID. Automatically, the other fields are filled in by association with this particular vehicle. Because they were already registered into the system, we immediately see that this vehicle is associated with the account Davis Brothers Rock Quarry, and the load type is sandstone. The tare weight of this particular vehicle is 12,580 pounds, which was stored into the vehicle ID file. On scale, the gross weight is displaying 25,040 pounds, making the net weight of the load 12,460 pounds, or 6.22 tons. Davis Brothers has a good standing account with our company, so this will be billed directly to their account rather than being a cash transaction. The market price of the material in this load is $90 per ton, bringing the total with taxes to $623. Since everything is in order, we give the transaction the OK to go ahead by pressing F6 or by clicking 6 OK at the bottom menu bar. A prompt appears requesting if the operator would like to print a ticket, and the transaction is accepted and logged into the system. Another load is coming through as well. It is an independent customer who wants to purchase around 2 tons of gravel. Since he isn't affiliated with any account, nor is the vehicle registered, this will be a 2-pass transaction. We have to get his truck's unloaded weight, which is showing at 8,440 pounds. We click OK, and the first part of the transaction is accepted. After he is loaded up and gets back onto the scale, we see the new weight at 12,440 pounds, giving us a net weight of 4,000 pounds or 2 tons. Since the first pass was logged into the system, it remembers his tare weight. Since our configuration requires an account with every transaction, we can just enter the customer's name or any code you might want to use for independent transactions. Our field is flashing red because the information in the account field does not match any pre-existing accounts in the database. This is acceptable for this transaction, so we click OK. The ticket is printed and the transaction is accepted and logged into the system. This gives you an idea of 2 typical type real-world scenarios of how Cardinal Scale's dynamic WinVRS software can be used. Find out more online at www.cardinalscale.com or by calling Cardinal Customer Service at 1-800-441-4237.